Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of apps and a question that might have some of you scratching your heads. Is there a coding app named Grasshopper? And more importantly, is it shutting down? Now, for those unfamiliar, Grasshopper was an app developed by Google, aiming to make learning to code accessible and, dare I say, fun. It used bite-sized, gamified lessons to teach users the fundamentals of coding with JavaScript, a popular programming language. Think of it like this: you solve little coding puzzles, each building on the previous one, and before you know it, you're understanding the logic behind building websites or even creating simple games. Pretty cool, right? But back to our initial question. Is Grasshopper getting squashed? Well, buckle up, because this story has a twist or two. In March of 2023, the internet went buzzing with news that Google was planning to shut down Grasshopper. Apparently, an announcement snuck its way into the app, leaving users wondering if their coding Grasshopper days were numbered. The news spread like wildfire, with many lamenting the loss of a user-friendly learning tool. But hold on a second, because as it turns out, Google's communication team might have gotten a little buggy. See, the initial announcement seemed a tad premature. Clicking the Read More button led you to a support forum post that seemed more like a test message, titled, "Quick test. Please ignore." Not exactly the most reassuring sign. Thankfully, Google soon clarified things. Yes, Grasshopper was indeed scheduled for shutdown, but the official date was set for June 15, 2023. This gave users a few months to wrap their heads around it and, more importantly, to export their progress if they wanted to keep a record of their coding journey. So, as of today, July 9, 2024, Grasshopper is officially a thing of the past. The app is no longer available on the Play Store or App Store, and the web app has joined the digital graveyard. But here's the good news. The fact that Grasshopper existed in the first place shows a big push by Google to make coding accessible. While this specific app might be gone, it highlights a growing trend. Learning to code is no longer some mystical skill reserved for tech wizards. There are tons of other resources available now, from online courses and tutorials to interactive platforms that make learning to code just as engaging, if not more, than playing a game. So, if the news of Grasshopper's demise has you bummed but still curious about coding, fear not. The internet is your coding jungle gym with countless options to choose from. In the comments below, let us know if you ever tried Grasshopper and what your experience was like. Did it spark your coding interest? For those of you new to the coding world, what's holding you back from giving it a try? Maybe you have a specific project in mind, or perhaps you just want to unlock a new skill. Whatever your reason, there's a coding path out there waiting for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and keep creating.